So friends, today we're going to make this beautiful chutney out of curry leaves, and this goes so well with some dosas, idlis, rice and many other things. So let's start with today's recipe. So here I've taken about a cup of fresh curry leaves. I've given them a thorough wash, and then I'm going to put them on a kitchen napkin or a kitchen towel and pat them completely dry. That's very important that the leaves are nice and dry. So just pat them onto a kitchen towel or a kitchen napkin and set them aside. So now our leaves are all ready to be used. So about a cup of them. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of urid dal, 1 tablespoon of dhania seeds or coriander or dhania, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of asafotedia or hing, 3/4 of a tablespoon of red chilli powder or as per your taste, 3/4 tablespoon of jaggery or ghee, and 1 teaspoon of dry tamarind. This is 2 tablespoons of peanut powder, about 5 cloves of garlic, and some salt to taste. Now first I've heated a pan and I'm just going to roast these curry leaves till they're nice and crispy. So this will take about 3 to 4 minutes on a low to medium flame. We're not added any oil. We're just going to roast them till the curry leaves or the kadi patta becomes nice and crispy. So you get the lovely aroma of the curry leaves as you roast them, and it's a beautiful aroma. So you can see now that the texture has changed and it's become more on a grayish green side and it's a little on the crispy side. So roast this. This is the most important part for that perfect chutney texture. So you're going to roast them completely till they're nice and crispy. So even if you press them, you'll get this lovely crispy sound. So once they're roasted, we're going to transfer them into a bowl. You can turn off the heat at this point. And now in the same pan, after wiping the pan nice and clean, we're going to add just about 1 teaspoon of oil. Now once the oil starts to heat up, we're going to add the urid dal. And we're going to fry this urid dal for at least about half a minute. Next, we're going to add the coriander seeds and again fry them. This is on a very low heat. Next, we're going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera seeds and we're going to fry that well too. Next, we're going to add the hing or asafotedia and fry that a little. Next, we're going to add the garlic and we're going to fry the garlic too till it turns a little light brown in color. So all this on a low flame. So fry this well. And then after about a whole minute or so, once everything is fried well and the lovely aromas of the garlic and the spices, start filling your kitchen in, just put off the flame and add the peanut powder. So remember to put off the flame when you add the peanut powder. The reason being is that the peanut powder is already roasted. Because this is homemade peanut powder, all I've done is I've roasted the peanuts very well, then I've peeled them and then I've ground them to a coarse powder. Now we're going to add this mixture to our mixer or blender. So add them, and no water is to be used in this chutney at all. Next, we're going to add the crispy curry leaves that we roasted. Next, I'm going to add some salt to taste. Next goes in the red chilli powder. Then goes in the jaggery or the ghee. Now I've grated my ghee so that it is of a nice consistency and so just grate it on a normal cheese grater. And then I've added the tamarind flakes, and then I'm going to grind this to a very fine powder. So just mix everything well and again blitz it once or twice, and your chutney powder is all ready from the lovely curry leaves. This my entire kitchen has got this beautiful aroma of this lovely chutney, and believe me friends, it's so delicious. It goes well with even plain curd rice or anything. Now, one tip over here is that you can store this chutney for months together. Just ensure that you put it into a nice, dry, clean glass bottle with a nice airtight cap. And another tip I'd like to give you here is whenever you're using the chutney, use a very dry spoon. Ensure that your spoon is nice and dry. Don't use a damp spoon. Don't use a wet spoon. See that your spoon is completely dry. And also keep this in a nice cool place. You don't need to refrigerate it, but keep it in a nice dark cool place in your kitchen. And see that the lid is nice and airtight. That way this chutney remains for months together. So all of us have got so many curry leaves in our garden. So this is a very nice way to use it, and it's very healthy also. So I hope you like today's lovely recipe.
I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.